To all of you, let us study about chemical reactions and equation. This is the first chapter of class 10. Both CBSE and JAC ask question from this chapter. Let us know what is chemistry. Chemistry is a branch of natural science in which we do a study about property, construction and a structure of a substance. In this chapter, we get idea about chemical reaction and equation. First of all, we want to know what is a chemical reaction. Whenever a chemical change occurs, we can say that chemical reaction has taken place. It means that whenever a chemical change occurs, we can say that a chemical reaction has taken place. So it is very easy to understand. For this we consider about 4 points which are as follow. When a chemical reaction has taken place, then any one of these 4 changes or all changes take place, such as change in state of the substance, change in color of the substance, change in temperature of the substance, or evolution of a gas. For this, we take an example. When magnesium ribbon bonds with oxygen in the presence of air, then we get white powder of magnesium oxide. If we put at a balance element or substance which present in the left hand side of the horizontal arrow, is said to be the reactants of the chemical reaction. The substance which do we get after the chemical reaction or present in the right hand side of the horizontal arrow is said to be the product of the chemical reaction. So we have no problem to understand what is the reactants and what is the product of a chemical reaction. The substance which participate in a chemical reaction is said to be the reactant and present in the left hand side of the horizontal arrow. The substance which do we get after the chemical reaction is said to be the product and present in the right hand side of the horizontal arrow. It is a kind of a skeletal chemical reaction. We have two types of chemical equation. We have two types of chemical equation. First one is known as the skeletal chemical equations and second one is known as the balanced chemical equation. In a skeletal chemical equation, we do not care about the total number of atoms which are present in the reactant and product. If we consider about here, then the one atom of magnesium is here and two atom of oxygen is here. So total number of atoms which is present in the reactants are 3. If we put at a gallons in the product, then here one atom of magnesium and one atom of oxygen is present. So total number of atoms which are present in the product is 2. 3 is not equal to 2. Therefore, it is a kind of a skeletal chemical equation. In case of balanced chemical equation, total number of atoms of the reactants are equal to the total number of atoms of the products. So it is a simple story about what is chemical reaction and what is the skeletal chemical equation, what is the reactants, what is the products, what will happen if a chemical reaction has taken place, such as change in state, change in color, change in temperature and evolution of gas. So hope that all of you have no problem to understand this explanation. In the next class, I shall try to discuss about balanced chemical equation. Till then, thanks to all of you. Thank you very much.